JIT, just-in-time purchase. JIT, it may be just-in-time with respect to purchase or with respect to production. It may be just-in-time purchase or just-in-time production. What is JIT? Just-in-time represent what? And why we need a just-in-time? Nothing but what could be the advantages of the just-in-time. Just-in-time, in time, whenever I need the raw material, if I am going to get the raw material, for that I am going to make some arrangements. That arrangements here called what? Just-in-time arrangement, just-in-time purchase. Why we need a just-in-time purchase? Suppose expected production comes to 1 lakh units. Expected production per month comes to 1 lakh units. To produce one product, we need raw material to the extent of 10 kg per unit. To produce one product, we need 10 kgs of raw material. So, total requirement of raw material comes to 10 lakh kgs, right? So, per month we are going to produce 1 lakh. So, you need 1 lakh kgs of raw material. We need 10 lakh kgs of raw material because to produce one product you need 10 kgs of raw material. So, total requirement of raw material per annum comes to 120 lakhs worth of raw material. 120 lakhs what? But kgs of raw material. Assume purchase price per kg of raw material at the rate of 10 rupees 10 per kg. Then 120 lakhs into 10 comes to how much? 12 crores. Am I right? Yes or no? We need 12 crores worth of raw material we need, sir. Am I right? So, if you are going to see per annum basis, 1 crore 20 lakhs, okay? 1 crore 20 lakhs kgs of raw material you need, and value wise, how much you need? 12 crores you need, am I right? This is the total requirement of raw material. In material costing in IPC level you come across, what are all the ways are that to reduce the cost of the material? What are all the ways you have studied? Purchase procedure, material accounting procedure, setting of various stock level, economic ordering quantity, ABC analysis, review of slow moving, non-moving stock, perpetual interest system, continuous stock verification, two-bin system, accounting for wastage, scrap, spoilage, defective, accounting for what normal loss, that quantity, spoilage and all. Clear? So when I come across so many techniques to what? Control over the cost of the material. One of the first one is what? Purchase procedure. We can have the direct link between purchase procedure to JIT here. The sense, purchase procedure, if at all I want the material, if at all I want to procure the material, what I supposed to do? Assume you are going to purchase one dress material for Diwali season, Onam season, some festival or your birthday, you are going to purchase the dress. Before you are going to purchase, what you will do, ma'am? For the first step, you may have some plan, no? What sort of plan you may have? Where to purchase? Next, what kind of product you have to purchase? What kind of dress model? Next, price. Clear? Next. So, where to buy, how much we have to buy, which product you have to buy, any discount possible or not, audit delivery is there or not, buy one get one offer is there or not. Clear? So, we may have the plan before you are going to purchase. Right? Now, how much may going to spend for the purpose of your dress material? Yeah, how much you will spend? Last Diwali, how much you spend, Rama? 15,500. That's all. Ah, good. 1,500. 500 is spent for purchasing the dress material. Okay. Now, for spending 1,500 or 2,000 or 3,000, max you are going to spend 5,000 for purchasing the material. So, to spend 5,000, we may have some plan where we have to go. Clear? Which shop is best? The discount offer is there or not? Along with whom you have to go? Clear? You may have some rough idea. Clear? Why we are having this sort of what plan? Ultimately, everyone wants cheaper and better product. That's the only intention. Right? I want cheaper product and better product. For that, we are having some plan. Here, companies and all, day-to-day activity, they need the raw material, they have to purchase the raw material, they are going to incur lakhs and lakhs or crores and crores of rupees as an investment in water, raw material. They need some plan. So, as it is, they can't get the raw material. Clear? Before they are going to purchase the raw material, they have to analyze where and all suppliers are there for our products raw material. Who is nearby? Whether door delivery is possible or not, whether discount is possible or not, clear negotiation is possible or not, whether what about the quality of the product, everything they have to analyze. No? In that raw material, how what could be the yield? Clear. So many things they may go into what? Verify. Assume I want to purchase the raw material. A required raw material comes to 1.2 crores kgs of raw material. Value comes to 12 crores worth of raw material. Now, I am searching nearby who is the best supplier for sending the raw material. I got this guy is the one. This is a supplier sending the raw material, selling the raw material. Now, I am going to approach the supplier. I need raw material, sir. For the forthcoming year, I am going to purchase a raw material from you only. Worth of we will have the written agreement. Whenever we need the raw material, I am going to purchase the raw material. Okay, X similar to Y limited. We will have the written agreement. At any given point of time, whenever I am going to ask the raw material, you have to deliver. This sense what? I am a premium customer. You have to what? Transfer the raw material. Worth of the contract comes to how much? 12 crores worth of the contract. Will you agree or not? Very happy. Because by way of single customer, he is going to get how much? 12 crore worth of business. Everybody will happy on it. In that agreement I am mentioning, whenever I need the raw material, you have to transfer the raw material. Is it possible for to do the transfer of the raw material? Because 12 crore worth, you obviously have to transfer the raw material. You should take care of water. Clear? That freight, all those things in the door delivery, you have to take care. The 12 crore worth of business, you got it purely because of what? My contract. I am producing per month, my requirement comes to 1 lakh units of production. The production is a starting point to what? Reach this much worth of raw material transaction. The 1 lakh unit, who is selling? Our company is selling. To whom? My own customer, our customer. Right or not? So, because of my production, because of my product, because of my company's goodwill, because of my customer, you are getting business to the extent of how much? 12 crores. Understood or not? Therefore, why don't you reduce 1 rupee per kg of raw material? Okay, reduce 1 rupee per kg. Instead of 10 rupees, we'll pay only 9 rupees. Possible or not possible, sir? Possible or not possible? Yes. Bulk purchase. Even if you want to increase his own sales in his company for 12 crores, how much advertisement expenses they have to incur? So to other expenses to reach the product to the customer. Clear? By way of single customer they are getting no. Therefore, 1 rupee reduction. Accepting or not, sir? Accepted. So how much the cost saving to the company? Because of that, how much the cost saving to the company? How much? 9 rupee become 10 rupee, nothing but 10 percentage. Okay, 10% saving. So 10 percentage on 12 crore is equal to 1.2 crore saving to the company. Cost saving to the company comes to 1.2 crores. Accepting or not? All of you. Now, 1.2 crores cost saving. It's a visible cost saving. In addition to that, other benefits are there. What are all the other benefits? Whenever I need the raw material, you have to transfer the raw material. Therefore, I am going to save or avoid freight expenses. Our company can save freight expenses. If I am going to avoid freight expenses, transit insurance, I no need to take. It is your headache, you have to take that. During the transit loss, something is happened, you are responsible. Yes, sir. Clear? Next, whenever I need the raw material, you are going to transfer the raw material. Therefore, main advantage, warehouse or godown expenses I can avoid. The moment I am going to ask, you have to transfer. Clear? You should not say any excuse. What? Today strike, sir, this, sir, that, sir. No, ma. Clear? We are having agreement. It is your duty. I can't push to pile the stock material. That's why we are having some agreement. Clear? Even I no need to worry about the market condition. If I am not going to have this sort of agreement, depending upon the market rate, that particular date, what rate only they will give. Last 2 days holiday or 3 days, what? There is no what? Transport facilities due to strike and all. Today, price is increased. Clear? Or depending upon budget, it's increased, decreased. Everything I have to verify. Oh, festival season, product may going to get increased. Therefore, today itself I have to buy. All those exercise I can avoid because the headache has been transferred to what? By way of agreement to the supplier itself. Next, if I am going to avoid warehouse or what? Godown expenses, then stock insurance in the godown also I can what? Avoid. Or I can save to that extent. Next, quality check or quality inspection, that cost I can avoid. Why? Previously, if I am going to purchase the product, I have to worry about the quality of the product, everything is good or not. Now this headache is transferred to whom? Supplier. If the quality of the product is not good, I am going to reject the agreement or contract. So you are going to be the loser. Clear? So you are going to lose the business to the extent of 12 crores. So to avoid the same, you will send only the quality product only. Next, I can avoid physical verification of the stock. That expenses I can avoid. If it is there in godown, what? Frequent interval I have to verify everything correct or not. That expense is also to that extent I can be in the position to save. So many extra benefits are there. Yes or no?